Is it recording? Alright. This is HK416D 22LR. This is a disassembly video. I had a message regarding how to get into the bolts carrier. Before we begin, there's ammunition in there. Nothing in the barrel. Nothing. Alright, so first thing you want to do is actually take off free floating barrel. And you get these two pieces, the two mounts and the screw. And well, since I have this thing on here, I actually have to take it off. So then off comes your free floating barrel, and then from here you actually gonna take apart the upper and lower receiver by the pins. There's one pin. And then the pivot pin. And then you got your lower receiver. You can start off with the lower receiver. You get the hex key that is provided from H&K inserted into the magazine release. And you would actually get the button with the screw, if you can see that, and then the spring, and the other side of the release. Just put it aside, and then from here you would actually need to remove the bottom cap of the pistol grip. Take out whatever you have in there. I have actually 2 batteries in there. And then again you go, H&K is actually provided with a hex key. You actually go all the way in there. You can't really see it, but you actually see that screw. And we just twist it counterclockwise. Come out just like that, and that's your screw. It's actually missing a washer that grabs onto the pistol grip, so don't lose that washer. It's like a not a regular washer, but it actually has teeth. I don't know if you actually see that. Don't lose that. And then from here, turn it to the other side. Just press the button. You're actually gonna, if you want, just pull it down, and then just take out the safety. And then from here, you actually take out your hammer with your trigger. And just pretty much like your standard one. I'm not going to get into detail with this. And then you can actually take off the bolt catch dummy, just like a dummy feature that is actually provided just for looks, which actually goes in here, just like that. You actually take that off. and then back to the upper receiver. You're going to get your tool provided by H&K 13. Twist it counterclockwise. Oh crap. So you got your flash hider. Put that aside. Put your tool aside. And you have your gas block, I guess you would say sting attachments. And then right here you would actually have an aluminum part. You actually would need the hex key that you took off before, your free floating barrel, your free floating guard. Just get something like this. This is actually a size 5. This one. Oh, it actually doesn't fit. Okay, move some smaller. From the factory, it's actually tightened from the bottom. So you would actually insert the hex key in here, and this is just for grip. This has nothing to do with twisting or anything. So you actually would twist it counterclockwise. See it like that? See the hole? Put in the hex here, some sort of straight device or straight tool, and just twist it one side. It's fucking hard. This is hard. Super hard. That was actually pretty hard. But you actually just keep on twisting it off, and eventually you get to some threads and a piece that actually connects to the body of the upper. You actually just I believe just slide this off. See how it comes off like that? Just keep on going at it. So you get your outer. Francis, what are you doing? Go over there. Go. So then you actually lift your barrel. And the outside and inside of the upper receiver. So from here, you actually just pull on the charging handle all the way out. Let me set these pieces apart. This is actually just the outside. You would actually need to clean this a little bit, but not as much. Just wipe it down. And then this is actually you got your charging handle on top, so you can actually take that off like that. Then you're left with the bolt carrier, the firing, the safety. When you insert an empty mag, it actually leave the bolt catch open. So from here, you get a hex key that fits in here snugly, and you twist counterclockwise too. Here, hold the flashlight, but don't point directly at it, just like that. So you twist it counterclockwise. If we run out of time, I'll make this into a second part. But as far as taking out these screws, there's one screw, and then the end of it, the bolts.